Honestly, converting a PDF to Word used to drive me crazy. You try those random websites, and half of them want your credit card or mess up the formatting. But guess what? There is a free way that actually works, and you already have it. Subscribe real quick, and I will show you exactly how to do it in under a minute. First, just open your web browser and head over to google.com. In the top right corner, you will see those little dots called the Google Apps button. Go ahead and click that, then select Drive. Now look at the top left corner and click New. Then choose File Upload. Find the PDF you want to convert on your computer, select it, and click Open. It will start uploading to your Google Drive. Give it just a second. Once the upload finishes, you will see the file pop up in the bottom right corner. Click on it. Then, at the top of the page, click Open with Google Docs. This is the magic step right here. And just like that, your PDF opens as an editable document. Seriously, you can now change the text, move images around, or fix any formatting issues. It works just like any regular document you would type in. When you are done editing, go up to File at the top. Hover over Download, and then select Microsoft Word document. That will save the converted file right back to your computer. You're all set. See how easy that was? No weird websites, no paying for anything. If this trick saved you time, hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell, and comment converted down below so I know it worked for you. Next time, I will show you how to convert a scanned PDF that does not let you select text. That one is a game changer, so do not miss it.
Subscribe now.